Smart sellers grow their business internationally, and you should too. Now, there's two ways to do this, especially to expanding to Canada. First, you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You're going to make sure that you're upgraded to a professional seller. If you don't know how to upgrade your professional seller, just Google it. You're going to go to manage, and then you should be able to upgrade just in that account info area. Now, once you're a professional seller, you're simply going to go right back here, go into inventory, and then sell globally. Once you're on the sell globally tab, it's going to look something like this. You're simply going to click build international listings. Click on that. It's going to look something like this. And then this is where you can connect different items. So you can connect Amazon USA to Amazon Canada. You want to make sure that there is a connection here. If there's not a connection, set it up. And then click edit connection if you want to see if it's properly set up. This is where you're going to connect all of your listings from the USA to Canada, and you can click continue, offers types to connect, all of your FBA items. Do you want to just offer new and used? Go through that process, and then bada bing, bada boom, you can go to your top, go to here, go to Canada. Within 24 hours, your listings should be showing up in Canada. Now, that's going to be the fastest and the easiest way to expand. The downside of this first way is, of course, the items are being shipped from the USA to people in Canada, so they are charged import fees, which nobody wants to pay. So your sales in Canada aren't going to be very, very high. This is a good way to test it. Again, you can see that there's import fees because they're being shipped from the USA. Amazon's handling all of that. But what you want to do, and this is step number 2, this way is a little bit more difficult, is if you don't want to have that, you want to be actually prime for Canadians in Canada. Of course, Canadians don't want to pay that extra import fee. They want to just have prime 2-day shipping just like we have. So if you test out the first method, and you are generating sales, then maybe you should officially expand to Canada. To officially expand to Canada, you're going to go back to that page that has the connection to Canada, right? And now you're going to click remove connection. Now you're going to remove that connection, and you're going to go back to your inventory, and it should be zeroed out at that point because you removed the connection from the USA. Now it's your time to actually send inventory from the USA directly to Canada's warehouse. So you're going to click send or replenish inventory, ship it directly from Amazon USA directly to Canadian warehouse. Once it's checked in, then your listing is not going to have any import fees like this one does. It's going to be 2-day shipping to Canadians, and you will see a large increase in sales. Now, those are the 2 ways to expand. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, expanding to Canada, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We're going to be managing your Amazon Canada, Amazon USA, UK, Italy, you name it. We'll manage it, managing customer service, ads, dealing with Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.